Hi, welcome to today's Facebook Live. My name is Zoe and I'm one of the Business Development Advisors for Business at Llandrillo Menai. I'm joined here today by Suzanne Prophet. So Suzanne, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm Suzanne Prophet. I am the coordinator for all the coaching and mentoring programs, which we run at level 3, level 5 and level 7. And I myself am an executive coach.
Brilliant. So thanks for joining me today. And we are today going to talk a little bit about the ILM, the coaching and mentoring qualifications that we run. So do you want to start off by telling us a little bit about them and what each qualification entails?
Yeah, sure. So the qualifications are run by ILM, which is the Institute of Leadership and Management. We've got level 3, which is aimed at anybody who's interested in undertaking coaching or mentoring. It's the level 3 award. It looks at coaching or mentoring in general, and it's for anyone who would just like to have a little bit more knowledge with regard to coaching or mentoring. So that's for anybody. The level 5 is aimed at managers who are wanting to coach their staff, or people who've had some basic experience of coaching and mentoring and want to develop that more. And the level 7 is aimed at executive coaching. So it's coaching or mentoring at an executive or strategic level.
Great. So levels 3, 5 and 7, and then studied depending on their job role. So with the different levels, what's involved in each one? What do they entail?
Great. Okay. Level 3 it's made up of 3 assignments, a theory assignment, a practical assignment, and a reflective assignment. And what they need to do is have a maximum of 2 people, or normally done with 1, of 6 hours of either coaching or mentoring. The assignments, the first one is a 3,000 word assignment, and then it's the practical assignment and a reflective assignment, so reflecting on all the coaching and mentoring practice. The level 5 and the level 7 follow a very similar format. The level 5, you would need to have a minimum of 2 clients and a maximum of 3, and it's coaching or mentoring for 18 hours. And the level 7 is a minimum of 2 clients and a maximum of 3, and that's coaching or mentoring for 20 hours, and that is at an executive level.
Right, okay, so if people are looking to complete the qualifications then, what are the benefits that are involved in those qualifications for them as individuals or for a business?
Okay, so for individuals, it's all about personal development. It's you could feel more empowered when you're coached. You feel more motivated, more engaged within the workplace. And a lot of people have said that the course has been very transformational for them at whatever level, because you become a lot more self-aware. For the organisations themselves, it promotes employee engagement, promotes motivation. It can reduce sickness and absence. It can make people want to develop themselves more within the organisation. It can have a knock-on effect with stakeholders. For example, people who have been coached can be much better at customer service. So there's benefits all round for the individual, the organisation and the organisation's stakeholders.
Yeah, that sounds like there are a lot of benefits there, especially personal development, business improvement, things like that. So if anybody's watching and they are interested in doing the course, when are the next ones due to start?
Okay, so the level 5 is at the end of September, and the level 3 and the level 7 are at the beginning of October. So the first week of October. So level 5, the last week of September, and the level 3 and the level 7, the first week of October. So it's very simple, as in the application side of things. They can contact yourselves, but for the application process itself, they would need to have an interview with myself to decide which program is relevant for them, and just to have a chat to make sure that it's the right level and the right qualification for them. It's nothing serious. It's very much an informal chat, just to find a little bit out about themselves and also which is going to be best for them.
That's good. So now's the time then really to get in touch if people would like to enroll. Yeah. We obviously, if you'd like more information as well, they can get in touch then too. Also, if there's any businesses out there that are interested in the course for their employees, there's some funding available at the moment, isn't there? So it's up to 100%. So, obviously get in touch with us again on the number or the email below if you'd like to have any more information about the funding streams or enrolling onto the programme. And one of our business development advisors are here. We'll be able to help and pass the details across to you, Suzanne.
Yeah, great. And I'm happy to speak to anybody who wants a little bit more information. It doesn't mean to say that they've got to sign up, but I'm happy to chat them through whichever level, just so that they're more aware and feel comfortable coming on the programme.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much. I'll just quickly check with any questions. No, no questions there. So that brings us towards the end of today's session. Thank you to everybody who has watched, and thank you for Suzanne for joining me today. Don't forget to tune in next week, and we will have our weekly instalment of our Facebook Lives. Thank you.
Thank you.